Tight neck, tight shoulders, stiff lower back. Let's stretch it out. In just 5 minutes, you'll release all that tension and feel like a brand new you. Let's go, fam. So first, you're going to rotate your neck in a counterclockwise, and then you're going to switch to a clockwise direction. Let's rotate that neck, standing in the same position. Rotate your head right around. That's it. You can switch now. Let's go, fam. Let's remove that tension, release it. So these are all dynamic stretches that we're doing today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your hands on your chest and start rolling those shoulders using your elbows, like you're swimming with your elbows. That's what you want to do. Nice. Keep rolling those shoulders in one direction, and then you can switch the other direction. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to move to side bends. You're going to do side bends for 30 seconds. You're going to spread your feet a little bit more than shoulder width apart, and then you're going to bend to the side. That's pretty easy. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to put your hands together, shoulder height level, and then you're going to do spine rotations. You're going to rotate your spine, keeping your head in the same position, your feet in the same position, and just rotate. Let's loosen up those muscles in your back, because we're going to get on the mat. So let's do that. Boom. Let's go, fam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to open up our chest. Our chest and shoulders are connected. So you're going to put your hands behind your back and lock your fingers. You're going to bend over and lift your hands up. So this is going to help open up your chest and your shoulders. That front deltoid, you want to open that up to remove that tension in the shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're going to go back to rolling our shoulders. And this time, you want to go in the opposite direction. If you have any shoulder problems, do this in a gentle manner. Make sure that you don't hurt yourself. But I'm going to pick up the speed here. Now I'm changing direction. So we're going to go. I'm going to start picking up the pace. Be sure to do this gentle, right? Take your time. We're going to do this for the next 5 seconds. That's it. Picking up the pace. Boom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from the downward dog position, you're going to get into a cobra stretch. You already know this stretch is coming. You already know. So that's what we're going to do. This is ideal for the shoulder blades. You want to strengthen your shoulders, right? So we can stretch them out, but you also want to make sure that your shoulders are stronger. So this pose is going to help with making your shoulders more stable and strengthen your shoulders and your joints overall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is going to be a game changer for you. So you're going to put your arm behind your lower back and turn your head to the opposite side. And then look towards your armpit on the opposite side where your head is turned to. You're going to feel your trap opening up and stretching. That's going to help with the shoulder and the neck. This is a game changer. It's going to help most of your upper back issues. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to switch sides. That's it. Good job. Doing great. Perfect. Now you're going to keep doing that. I'm showing you all angles how it should look. Good job. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can get on the mat and just rotate your arms and shoulders. Fam, if you still want more stretching, check out this video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.